The holidays, they're coming up quicker than some of us would like, but dealing with the holidays after divorce can lead to a lot of stress and sorrow, especially when there are kids involved. So how do parents replace the happy memories of the holidays past with new ones? Attorney Latrice Milton is here with some help. Thanks for being here. You deal with this a lot.
Yes, I do.
You deal with this a lot. And your best advice is to talk about the parents before the holidays get here.
Yes, I speak with my parents all the time and tell them that they should think of creating more of a business-like partnership with the ex-spouse than try to be friends. And so when you're doing that, you're basically, you have it's very formal, structured relationship. Communication is clear and concise. And what you're looking for is just to set up an arrangement for the holidays that works best for the children, because that's who we're focusing on first, and then also a program that the parents can implement on a daily basis.
And people really don't think about that. I think when they're going through a divorce, they're thinking about dividing the assets and this and this and this. But there's so much more, and it's just like, bam, especially the first holiday, it gets here, and you're like, we didn't talk about this.
Right, and good communication can actually resolve that problem, because in going through a divorce process, you don't think about everything. But if parents start communicating as early as they can about holiday traditions, what their holiday plans are going to be this year, who's going to transport the kids, and when they plan on being done with celebrating the holiday, as well as trying to keep some of the holiday traditions alive. It's not entirely possible to do everything the same as it was, but trying to get the kids to be excited about creating a new holiday tradition with both sides of the family.
Do you recommend the divorcing parents sharing the holiday?
Together?
Together.
Generally does not work in most situations. There are some parents who've gone through extensive counseling together and then alone, who've actually worked through all the emotional issues that they may have had and resolved them. But for the most part, I think keeping them separate allows the kids to enjoy the holiday with both sides of the parents and create new memories.
And it's about the kids.
Absolutely.
It's about the kids. Is it better to divide days, or do okay, Thanksgiving is coming up, I get the morning, you get the afternoon? Like, in your experience, does that work?
Some families it does. It depends on what tradition is. If you're both going to celebrate in the same city, doing times works well. If one parent generally travels out of state, if you just do one parent has even years, one parent has odd years, but trying to make sure that the kids, if they can, see both parents on all the holidays.
And don't bring the kids into it and make them decide.
Absolutely not.
Yeah, yeah. What if you've already, you've gone through the divorce, you've been in court, and these issues crop up after? What is your remedy? Like, do you go back to court? Do you get a mediator? I mean, how do you?
The best way really is to get a mediator who is a third party, generally an attorney, who can help the parents negotiate out a plan.
Yeah.
It's the least costly. It generally costs $100 per parent. If you have to go back to court, then generally you have attorney's fees and just additional stress of appearing back in front of a judge.
So a mediator. Okay.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Latrice. Hopefully it doesn't get to that point that you can talk, but it can be a little bit difficult. All right, it's 7:48. Let's